Whimsical minds.
When you multiply by 2's a trick you can do. Just take the number that you have and double it through. You add the same amount, that's the doubling way. Now sing the 2 times table with me today. 2 times 1 is 2, just double the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, this doubling's fun. 2 times 3 is 6, the pattern is true. Every time you multiply, you double what you do. If you ever get stuck, here's what you can do. Take the number in your head, then add it to you. 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. Doubling every number makes the answers great. 2 times 4 is 8, double 4 again. 2 times 5 is 10, you're learning it, friend. 2 times 6 is 12, the pattern is clear. Double every number and the answer appears. Even numbers marching, stepping 2 by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, the pattern pulls you through. Every answer's even, every jump is neat. The 2 times table has a steady beat. 2 times 7 is 14, double 7 fast. 2 times 8 is 16, the pattern always lasts. 2 times 9 is 18, you're doing just fine. 2 times 10 is 20, you master the 2 times line.